Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add your social links or social icons to your Squarespace site. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing I'm going to show you is how you can add them to your header where they should be for easier locating and so that they can be accessed from any page on your site. And that is actually very simple to do. What you want to do is you want to click on Edit. And once you're here, you need to click on Edit Site Header. Once you're here, click Add Elements, and then click Social Links, and Social Links will appear here. Now, once you do that, click Save. Now you can move them around, I'm pretty sure, or you might not be able to, but you can press here to, well, edit them, and you can edit the content. You can add social links over here. You can edit this if you want to remove some. You can go to Design to set up their size, which I'm going to make bigger. You can add a border if you want. You can add the outline, the thickness of the outline, whatever you want, and then just click Save, and you're pretty much done. Now, once we've done that, you can also go over into the edit page again, and you can add a block which will link to your socials. You can select Instagram integration if you want. You can click social links and add them wherever you want, pretty much the same as they are on your header and footer. If you don't want to add them to your header, you can add them over here and then align them to wherever you want. And that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.